So glad you could join us. Lafayette City Marshal Brian Pope getting an apology from the judge during his hearing this morning.
Earlier this month, an appeals court ruled 15th Judicial District Judge Jules Edwards incorrectly sentenced Pope and told him to fix it. Today, he did. Chris Welty is following the case and is at the parish courthouse with the judge's decision in our top story. Chris.
Judge Jules Edwards initially making community service part of the city marshal's contempt of court sentence in a public records lawsuit, but he can't do that. The judge correcting his ruling, now making community service part of Pope's probation, effectively rolling back the clock. Marshal Pope, any comment?
We're not going to make any
Marshal Pope, any comment?
We're not going to make any comments at this time. Thank you.
City Marshal Brian Pope is all smiles leaving the parish courthouse after hearing Judge Jules Edwards would give him 2 more years to complete community service he was first ordered to do in March of 2016.
Judge Edwards followed the Third Circuit's instructions today, resentenced him, reimposed probation, made terms of the probation what you would typically expect: stay away from bad people, don't commit any more crimes.
Pope was initially given 173 hours of community service to complete and was sent to jail when the judge said he realized the marshal wasn't even close to meeting the goal within the 2 years he gave him to do it. Pope appealed, and the court sided with him, saying the sentencing wasn't legal.
This is a contempt judgment, so it's the court's judgment. It's not between the parties, and it's up to the judge to decide what he wants to do to allow Marshal Pope to cure his contempt of the court, which was the contempt for failure to produce the public records and failure to follow the injunction and mandamus orders that the judge had given previously.
Pope's attorney Michael Walsh said Pope has already completed 24 out of the 173 hours of community service he must complete to satisfy his probation. Pope can pick up trash and/or teach the public how to comply with public records law.
Outside of my experience, I have a lot of confidence in Judge Edwards, so I'm assuming this was done properly.
Judge Edwards said Pope's probation is effective immediately and will end August 29, 2020. If Pope doesn't complete his community service this go-round, he could end up back in jail. Reporting in Lafayette, Chris Welty, KATC TV3.